Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania, working on a couple of doors that we're replacing for a customer. And the guys got into it. They took apart the first door here back on the sunroom and found that there were some things that just weren't quite right, and we've got some water in places that we shouldn't, and we'll take you over and show you what we found. Say hi to the puppy dog.
Yeah, should be home.
Okay. So as you can see, Michael's already cut everything out of here, and I can go over to the trash pile and find you some of the pieces. But the door's still all the way across underneath there. The subfloor underneath the door was completely rotted out, water damage. And then we've got that water damage extending here underneath the stud wall, and then back under here as well. Same problem on this side. Back under here, about 6 to 8 inches. We've got to cut that out. We've already cut out the front rim joist that came across here, and we're getting ready to replace that. And so new piece of rim joist here, maybe a new backer behind it, we'll see. Pop out these other 2 tiles. Tiles are adhered directly to the subfloor. Not the ideal situation, but it's working for them, so that's what we're gonna have to put it back the way it is. The good news is they do have some extra tile left over, so we'll be able to work on that. And then we'll just have to make sure we put some good blocking down between our old piece of plywood subfloor and the new piece of plywood subfloor, so that we try to limit and prevent anything from rocking and moving that shouldn't. And then when we're all said and done, Michael and German here are going to correct the flashing system to ensure that any water that comes off these windows, that comes off around this door as it comes down, it winds up out in front of everything and doesn't have the opportunity to get in behind and get things wet again. So that's what we found here. I'll take you over to the trash pile and show you some of the pieces that came out. So this guy here is one of the lovely pieces that has just been absolutely destroyed. We don't want to set the brand new door on top of this because it's going to move and have all kinds of challenges. And the same thing with this here. Just completely chewed that whole corner out. And so they cut out as much as they could, and we've got another lovely piece here that had to go. So they've got the different pieces apart, and we're going to work on getting the damaged materials replaced, getting the framing back together the way it needs to be, and then we can get that door installed and keep moving forward with the other 2 doors in this project in the storm that they have to get done. But this being one of the outside ones and where rain can get to it, this is critical to get it done right, especially where we got the deck kind of pressed up against there, because you don't want to have problems with the support boards for the deck either. So the good news is that the sunroom was built on a slab. It would have been nice if there was some moisture barrier in there to help protect the insulation from getting sopping wet. But that was here when the customers moved in, so they're kind of take what we can get, and we're going to make it work and get it done and do the best we can to improve the situation, leave it better than we found it, and get them their brand new door in there so that they're not having problems with it sticking and leaking and causing all kinds of other problems as well. So whenever we do a door project, there's always a disclaimer in there about if we find the structural issues or water damage to the framing, that there may be some additional charges that come along, a change order might be required, and we can absolutely connect you with a public adjuster to see if they can help you with your homeowner's insurance as far as getting some of that covered. And it may be covered, it may be not. That's the insurance public adjuster's job to work that out, look at your insurance contract and work that out with your insurance provider to see if it's something that would be covered or would not be covered. We're not able to speak to that, which is why we partner with some really awesome people that can help educate you on what your policy says and what it covers and what it doesn't, and they can go to bat for you and help fight that for you. So if we can help you solve a problem, if you got a door that you won't replace, there's nothing we don't do. 𝗂𝘁'𝘀 is your full service construction and renovation company. Roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks, all those interior kitchen, bathroom, and basement renovations. Building you a custom dream house, an addition, or garage. We'd be happy to help you with all of that. Give our team a call weekdays, 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon at 484-748-0008. Choose option 2 for 𝗂𝘁'𝘀 Construction and Renovation, and extension 2 for new projects, and our staff will be happy to assist you. We are a Pennsylvania home improvement contractor, number 88078. Remember, when we're finished with your project, you'll be proud to say it's not just done. It was 𝗂𝘁'𝘀. We'll catch you on another video. Bye for now.